All right. Happy Monday to each and every one of you guys around the world. Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I'm sure you guys can tell by the title of the video what we're going to be discussing. We're going to be talking about Terra Luna Classic. It has done exactly what I was projecting yesterday because it has the momentum, and what Terra Luna Classic has done on December 4th is massive, and I will share why that's massive and why this is a huge big deal. And this can indicate three things that's happening, and I'll share as to why that is. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at Terra Luna Classic's price on the daily time frame, it's up 31.6%, and we pretty much just started off the day of December the 4th. You guys can see on the weekly time frame, Terra Luna Classic is up 118%, so it's definitely making some massive gains around the crypto space. And the craziest thing right now is that it's ranked in the cryptocurrency market, ranking at that top 47 spot, above Render, above Arbitrum, above the graph. That's insane. This rally that we're seeing could indicate three different things, which of course I will talk about a little further down. So as mentioned, up 35.3% in BTC comparative. In USD comparative. It's also up 30% in Bitcoin comparative. If we're looking at the price, it's currently sitting at 24512. Still three zeros in front of the price, but the market cap is currently sitting at $1.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is sitting above $1 billion mark, currently sitting at 1.3 billion. So definitely some insane price movements. Definitely seems like last summer when we were seeing Terra Luna Classic exploding, but are we about to see an all-time high, or no? And what exactly is causing this? So before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at BTC, Bitcoin has hit a new yearly high almost at $42,000, which is absolutely mind-boggling. And right now we're seeing Bitcoin dominance literally skyrocketing, hitting yearly highs almost. And again, this is something we projected on my channel. If you were watching over the past few days, you know that I was expecting that Bitcoin dominance will rise to the yearly high levels due to the fact that the momentum Bitcoin has right now. And this is starting to give me hints of the previous bull market. We had that massive rally leading up to the happening, and then we had a huge pullback. But again, that huge pullback came due to the pandemic as well. So those are factors that we need to factor in as well. But could we potentially see a huge pullback coming in next year leading up to the happening? Possibly, because we've pretty much been running up and up. We're seeing shorts getting liquidated left and right, and this rally that's occurring is because of the fact that we are seeing the likes of BlackRock coming in and picking up BTC right now. They don't want normies to pick up Bitcoin at a cheaper price. They want everyone to pick up at a longer, higher price, and that's what's happening right now. So if we're looking at Terra Luna Classic, what Terra Luna Classic has done today is historic, and this is something honestly no one projected. Let's face it, no one projected this. If you were buying Terra Luna Classic on November 24th, guys, that's just not even a week ago. If you picked up some Lunc at that price, you're up 272%. And of course, Terra Luna Classic was a project that has seen a significant sell-off pretty much since losing the support back in March of this year. And that was a significant level of support. Pretty much since we lost that support line, we did see a significant pullback. But I think whales saw the opportunity, and not only that, there's also insiders on Binance, I think, that were manipulating the price. And what we're seeing happening with Terra Luna Classic's price right now is short squeeze. This is a perfect example of a short squeeze. We probably saw a significant amount of people coming in shorting this around this range when we hit this resistance. You guys know the significance of this resistance. Last time we were above this resistance was Feb, but we never closed above here. So we have seen a lot of people still being bearish about Terra Luna Classic, because a lot of people think that Terra Luna Classic long-term revival is still far from being really coming a possibility. But Binance, whoever is behind Binance, the strategic thinking is massive, and I think the people whoever thought about that could also be behind the scenes and indicating to whales, sending out insider news that they are going to be announcing this massive burn. Because remember, this massive burn, we've seen these burns coming throughout the bear market. Remember that we've seen this happen, but we never saw a significant move like this. Reason why? Because we weren't in a bull market at that time. The entire outlook of the entire crypto space right now is mega bullish. So, the announcement will make a lot of people turn their eyes around, especially for a project that hasn't gone out of its consolidation phase, which is below this resistance at a 1460.37 zone. So, insane price movements, and you guys can see this for yourself. You cannot make this up. Literally, you cannot make this up. You can see we got stopped out at 27,954, and look at the level of resistance. This resistance dates back to pretty much the previous year. You can see we were being supported by this range, and then we tried to break out of here back in November of last year as well, but we never managed to do though because of the fact that this resistance was huge. And of course, this is no secret that this resistance did stop the price of Terra Luna Classic. That is to be expected. But guys, the volume that we're seeing with Terra Luna Classic right now is significant. So like I said, number one is insider whales that we're seeing an opportunity that pumped up the price of Terra Luna Classic because of the opportunity side of things. And maybe there is a huge announcement that we do not know of that could also be definitely the case, that is leading this huge rally that we're seeing. Because guys, it's back in the top 47 spot. That's huge. Literally, if anyone were told that Terra Luna Classic is going to be sitting at a $1.5 billion market cap in a week and a half to come, majority of the people would have said that's crazy, it's not gonna happen. And third, it's a short squeeze, and I'm leaning more towards a little bit of maybe there is some insider things that is happening. Maybe there are exchanges that are coming to burn or even possibly relist it. That could be a possibility, because remember, in order to relist a project, they need to purchase the coin. So that could be the reason as to why this is happening. But again, this is a community driven project at the end of the day. In order for it to be revived, it needs community backing. It needs community to step together, actually work together to make this revival actually become possible. Because right now it's impossible for a lot of people to think, and I'm being quite frank, it's impossible without the community backing and massive exchange backing. The biggest thing they have is Binance support, and I've said this literally when the price was around here, when the price was around there. Binance supporting is the biggest thing Terra Luna Classic has for itself. So crazy movements as we start off Monday. This is actually mind-boggling. Anyone that's been picking up around there, locking in profits is not going to hurt. Let's not get greedy. We've seen moves like this happen before. You guys can see last summer we saw the price go all the way up to this 59.28.4, and you can see what happened after that. So that does not mean we might not see more upside. First, in order for us to see more bullish momentum, if you don't call this already so bullish, I don't know what will. But anyways, if this resistance is actually able to break out and we actually turn this into support, fireworks could continue. But be very cautious. Do lock in profits. And let's take a look at USTC and see what is happening with USTC, because of course the correlation does exist. So 5.6%, seeing a little bit of a retracement, but Terra Luna Classic is definitely outpacing the entire market right now as we speak. Let me know down below what you guys think of what could be causing this rally. This is what I want to hear from you guys. And other than that, I'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.